Now, going to the second aspect of your question, is there mechanical trading in a small time frame that you can be in and out and and make a couple of $100 per day? If there were such a thing, you have to consider, let's try to explore this. If this were the case, you have to consider with what capital. So let's say that you want to make $200 per day. With what capital would you invest $200? If that is the case, you would be expecting a 100% return on investment. And now let's say that this theoretically works. Let's say that you work on a system that produces 100% return on investment. Then you have to consider with how much risk. And then you probably would say, well, with $200 risk. So you risk 200 to make 200 or something like that. Well, now you have to consider, let's say that this were the case and it works, let's assume that it works. It has to work at least more than 50% of the time, otherwise you will just break even. And if it works less than 50% of the time, you will lose money, obviously. So now let's say that it works 52% of the time, which is pretty much impossible, since practically no system in the world of trading allows you to be profitable more than 50% of the time. That's why the whole secret of this is in money management and trading psychology. So, but let's say that you have a system, a unique system that produces 51 or 52% of return on investment. Well, if such system exists, instead of investing 200, why don't you invest 300? For that matter, why not invest 200,000 or 2 million? People would be producing money so quickly that it would not be a trading system, it would be an ATM. So, from all perspectives, what we are speaking here is about a major fallacy that has been propagated in internet for many years, and people continue propagating that idea, that illusion, because consider the fact that the odds are completely against you. It is exactly the same as when you go to a casino.